Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital finance to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to deposit a paper check on Cash App in 2025. With advancements in mobile banking, this process has become even more seamless and secure. Whether you're a student getting a refund or someone receiving a payment the old school way, you'll love how straightforward this is. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your smartphone. By 2025, Cash App has integrated AI-powered features to enhance security, so updates are key. Start by opening the app and logging into your account. If you're new, sign up quickly using your email or phone number. It's free and takes less than a minute. Once you're in, navigate to the Banking tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find a new Deposit Check option, which uses advanced image recognition tech. Tap on that and select Paper Check Deposit. Now, for the fun part, position your check on a flat, well-lit surface. The app will guide you to take a clear photo of both the front and back. Remember, sign the back of your check first and write "for mobile deposit only" to avoid any issues. After snapping the photo, the app's AI will automatically review the details like the amount, date, and payee. Double-check everything on the preview screen to ensure accuracy. It's all about preventing errors. Once you're satisfied, hit Confirm Deposit. You'll get an instant confirmation, and the funds should hit your account in 1 to 2 business days, depending on your bank. A quick tip: always keep your original check safe until the deposit clears, just in case. And if you run into any hiccups, Cash App's 24/7 support chat is a lifesaver. There you have it. Depositing a paper check on Cash App in 2025 is as easy as snapping a pic. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.